Hi there, my name is Olivia Immitt. I'm the program leader here at Cumberland Falls State Resort Park. Welcome to our special edition of the 12 Days of Christmas, brought to you by Kentucky State Parks. For this edition, we are going to make our very own Christmas riddle book. I've already started the first couple steps, decorating the cover and making the binding. I will show you how to do that, and then we're going to put our riddles inside. So, first step is taking your construction paper and folding it in half. Now, if you're not doing too many sheets of paper, you're going to be able to staple them down the center, but I used quite a bit. So I'm going to need to use a hole puncher, making holes on the ridge of your fold. And then, after you do so, you are going to take some sort of twine or ribbon and make the binding for it. So that's what I did there. Now, shall we get started with our riddles? What falls at the North Pole but never gets injured? Snow. What is a parent's favorite Christmas carol? Silent Night. Why is Santa so good at karaoke? Because he has a black belt. What did the snow woman do when she was upset at the snowman? She gave him the cold shoulder. What do you call a snowman in the summer? A puddle. Which one of Santa's reindeer can be seen on Valentine's Day? Cupid. Why do mummies like Christmas so much? Because of all the wrapping. When does Christmas come before Thanksgiving? In the dictionary. Which one of Santa's reindeer can you see in outer space? Comet! On Christmas, how do kids know that Santa is in the room? They can sense his presence. What do you get when a pineapple and a Christmas tree have a baby? And my dyslexia gave away the answer. It's what do you get when an apple and a pine tree have a baby? A pineapple. If the end of the year is on December 31st, then what is the end of Christmas? The letter S. I knew there was one more page. What do you call a person who is afraid of Santa Claus? A claustrophobic. I hope you have enjoyed this little activity. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and happy 12 days of Christmas to all of you out there watching this series.